Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in a couple of minutes, so I'll go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and I will be back at market open. Have an order at 44.50 here for a call option. And looking like I might have been too late on that one. So yes, I am looking to do options. Options, if you don't know what those are, just comment below option guide and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options, and I'll walk through the terminologies, how they work. Don't be intimidated. I know sometimes people hear option then run the other way. They can be made very complicated, but they don't have to be made that way. So I approach them in a simple way. So if that's how you like to approach things, then I'm confident that guide will get you started in the right direction. All right, I will pause for now and I'll keep a close eye on things. Have an order at 45.50. I'm watching that number right there. I want to see that drop down to 45.50, go slightly below, and that white order will turn green if I'm able to buy. So that's what I'm watching. There we go. I'm in at 45.50. And out there for a very quick $50 move. Very good start to the morning. I will go ahead and pause and let's see if I can find some more good stuff. Have an order at 45.20 for a call. Let's come down a bit more. I'm going to go to 40. I don't know. Something just feels like this thing's about to break down through that level. So I'm going to go to 43.50 instead. This level being that blue line there. We'll see if I'm right or wrong. At this point, I should have just kept it at 45.20. So I was wrong, because I would have been perfectly fine at 45.20. So, all right. Well, my quote unquote gut instincts led me astray there. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 41.50. Okay, I'm going to go to 40.50 now. And I'm at 40.50. $39.50. Trying to play a call here. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, going to go at 40.50 here now instead. That feels like too much of a forced trade. Because I'm a little irritated about that other one where I $38.70. Look for this thing to come down a bit more. All right, I'll keep a close eye on it. I'll pause. Have an order at 40.20. In there at 40.20 for a call. And out there for another $50. Very good. Let's put this down at 38.20 now, in case it does actually want to flush down through this area. So I'm at 38.20 now. And we'll see if it wants to break down some more. I might try again at 40.20. Rinse and repeat on that one. Maybe even 4. I got to be careful of the 10 o'clock news though. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 43.20. In at 43.20 for a call. Out for $80 on that one. Very good. And at this point, I'm just going to wait until 10 o'clock because quite a bit of new economic news is coming out. So I'm expecting this thing to get pretty jumpy, but not too bad. Less than 30 minutes in, up 180. Not sure many places in the world where you can make, well, with commissions, let's call it 175. where you can make $175-ish in less than 30 minutes. So I am no greedy savage. Very, very grateful for that. But yeah, let's see if we can get this thing to what it wants to do at 10 o'clock. But I will pause and let that come about. That way I'm not stuck in something and then it becomes almost like a coin flip, where is this thing about to explode in my favor, which obviously could be good, or is it about to just explode against me, which obviously would be bad. So I will pause. All right, so here's 10 o'clock. Let's see if anything, there we go. So there's the movement where obviously if you had calls and you wanted the price to go up, you'd be feeling very, very good about yourself right now. But if you had puts, meaning you want to see the price go down, you'd be in a lot of pain right now. And it's too much. Maybe you're super, super good at playing the news and knowing which way the market's going to go when the news is released. And if you're really good at that, fantastic. For me, it feels too much like a coin flip. Sometimes I swear, oh, that looks like great news. And then I look at the price and the price is going down. Or I'm like, oh, wow, that is terrible news. And then you look at the price of something and it's going up. But like I said, maybe you're very, very a good judge of news and you know which way it's going to bring the price. But that is not my strong suit. So I acknowledge that and just watch from the sidelines. Pretty amazing though. I mean, look where that big old spike went up right off that yellow line there. Which, you saw it's been sitting there. So I don't say that to brag about myself. I do say it though to brag a little bit about charts, technical analysis, what I'm doing here. I'm a technical trader and I encourage you to learn more about charts. Okay, I will go ahead and pause. So yeah, got a little crazy right there. Nothing too insane, but there was definitely that spike that occurred right at that moment. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 43.20. For the call. Same strike price, same everything. So it would essentially be the same trade all over again. At least from an entry point standpoint. In there and out for 44. So that was $80 in, once again, literally a blink of an eye. You might need to scroll back and watch it because I got filled. And then I went over and hit the sell button. And in that amount of time, which was literally, let's just call it 2 seconds to be safe, it had already moved $80 in my favor. So very good. I will go ahead. I don't know. Should I just call it a day? 40-minute workday, 206. Well, with commissions, let's call it 250. 40-minute workday, $250 in my pocket. And as I say that out loud, that sounds good. I mean, it's kind of beautiful outside. So yeah, I'm going to call that good. And just a little bit of context on top of that. I do this as a side hustle. I believe in multiple streams of income. And I do that because I chase the freedom of the schedule, the freedom of time. When I can look at my schedule and dictate what my schedule is going to be every day, I think that's a very, very huge wealth. I get it now. Some people might want the private jet. They're saying, no, the private jet is where you're wealthy. Cool. I hope you get that goal then. But for me at this stage in life, father of 6 kids, working from home and having the freedom of schedule, the freedom to decide what I want to do with my time, that's the ultimate wealth for me at this point in time. So that's not to say that applies to everybody, but it applies to me because yes, I realize making $250 is not going to get me a private jet. But if I can make $250 in only 40 minutes when I have other streams of income flowing into my, my financial situation, that is a good use of my time. And I'm more than happy with that. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. If you are interested again in learning more about options, just write option guide in the comment section below, and I will link you to that free class. And if you want to learn more about technical trading, I will tell you right now more about how you can learn about it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use.
But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.